Good day everyone, my name is Shire Maybe Mangada from the University of Eastern Philippines, Bachelor of Science and Med Technology. Chapter 6, Communication for Academic Purposes. Lesson 1, Avoiding Plagiarism. 1 is quoting, 2 is paraphrasing, and 3 is summarizing. In this lesson, let's focus on paraphrasing. What is paraphrasing? Paraphrasing is when you take someone else's words or ideas and express them in your own words, while still keeping the original meaning intact. It's like rewarding or praising something to make it clear or more concise, without copying the original text word for word. Think of it like explaining a concept to a friend in your own way. You're not changing the idea itself, just presenting it differently. Paraphrasing helps with understanding, avoiding plagiarism, and making complex ideas more accessible. Paraphrasing is using your own words and own style of writing to state another author's idea, express the meaning of writer or speaker using different words, especially to achieve greater clarity. Paraphrasing replaces the original text idea using your own words while keeping the same meaning. The term paraphrasing comes from the Greek words para, meaning beside or alongside, and phrases, meaning speed or expression. In English, it's been used since the 16th century to describe the act of rewording or rephrasing text. There are the example of paraphrasing. Example number 1, simple rephrasing. Technology is changing the way we communicate. Paraphrase, the way people communicate is being transformed by technology. Example number 2, using synonyms and different sentence structure. He is bold, brave, yet kind. Paraphrase, he is courageous and dancing, but also gentle. Example number 3, for a quote. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. Henry Ford. Paraphrase, Henry Ford said that failure gives a chance to restart wiser. In these examples, show how the original message is kept, but the words are changes. Paraphrasing has 3 rules. First is to make sure you use your own words. Second, to make sure you use your own sentence structure. 3, to make sure the paraphrased text still accurately reflects. Paraphrasing has golden rule. You must fully understand the source information before attempting to rewrite it. The difference between paraphrasing and summarizing. Paraphrasing means to restate someone else's ideas in your own language at roughly at the same level of detail, while summarizing means to reduce the most essential points of someone else's work into a shorter. I hope you learned something about this topic. Thank you.